Hello everybody, and welcome to another stuffed animal video. I know it's a little late, but they were on vacation. Here come the super doggies, which are the mascots of this channel. Hello everybody. Hello. Hi. This is Skeeter. Hello. This is Bungie, the leader of the super doggies. Hi. And Fluffy Jr. I'm Fluffy. And then, well, play the clip from when they were on vacation. Nothing like a relaxing day at the beach. You said it, pal. So what do we do now? Sunscreen? Sure, let's do it. Where's the sunscreen? We didn't pack the sunscreen! And that's the reason we came back. Okay, so, well, since this is your first stuffed animal video, let's show everybody how great you are. Okay, well, I can fly. I'm flying over the sun, ding, 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 ding. I can fly, ding, 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 ding. I fell. I'm kidding. Dun, dun, dun. Nice superpower. Can you all do that? Yeah. There was some more members in the crew, but they wanted to stay on vacation. Cool. So, what else can you do? Oh, we have different superpowers. Like what? Oh, we'll reveal them to you later. Okay, so let's go play. Yay! Okay, here's my favorite game I like to play. Land on the treasure map. That's the easiest game I've ever heard of. Yeah, no, you just have to try to land on the treasure box. Oh, that seems more complicated. Yeah. Okay, I'll go first. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whee! I didn't make it. My turn. 1, 2, 3. Whee! I didn't make it either. Oh, hello, Bungie. Hello, Skeeter. My turn. 3, 2, 1. Whee! So close. Last time. 3, 2, 1. Whee! I made it! Dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. Dun dun. He made it! Yay! I'm so happy for him. Okay. Good job, everybody. You did good. Oof. I'm so tired. What's going on, everybody? Are you pretending to be a pig again? I guess not. He's asleep. I know the perfect solution. Wake up! Are you laughing or crying? I don't know. You guys all heard that? That's how I wake up every morning. I can't let anybody hear me. But I just let everybody hear me. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. Where are you guys all weirded out? I just can't believe what I just heard. I know how to take their minds off of it. Hey, remember about the villainous villain? Done. 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 Yeah, the villainous villain was really funny. You're not gonna make us forget about you snoring like a pig. I didn't know I snore like a pig. I snore like a pig? I never even knew that. It's a confusion again. Is he laughing or crying? Maybe that should be the title of this video. I don't know. Tricky. I don't know. Remember that the villain is villain. Dun, dun, dun. Break. Ha, 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 ha. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, and the villainous villain is really funny, and yeah. Guys? What's that shadow above us? Ah! I'm Shadow the Hedgehog, and I'm the villainous villain. I'm just a baby. Duty calls. Oof. Not really of a hero, huh? Care for a dance-off? I do not like dance-offs. Come on, it'll be fun. How about a fight-off? Over here? That was just my hologram. The devious Sonic the Hedgehog. I do not like hedgehogs. But you're a hedgehog. True. Yeah! And that's how you handle Shadow the Hedgehog. Oh. Okay, everybody. So, are you all okay? I'm okay. Yeah, we're okay too. We could have handled the situation, but good job. Oh, we were? Oh yeah, good job. Do you even know what was happening? Yeah. He did not know what was happening. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay too. So you all are okay? Yeah. Okay. Bye. Gotta run. Hey guys, want to do another training session? No! Well, that was a good save by Sonic the Hedgehog. What happened? Okay, so, should we end off the video? No! So, there's two. One snores like a pig, and one is actually a monster when he sounds so cute and adorable. Yeah. Okay, so. Total silence. I don't know what to do next. Let's all sing a song together. That'll be the ending credits. Okay. Let's do it. But first, stay tuned for the song. The song that will cheer you up every time you're blue. Just like me. And me. And me! Okay, so stay tuned for the song. Okay, everybody, get ready. We This is not how we practiced. Okay. We are stuffed animals. We're friends and family of the world. We are friends and family. We have many more family members. But these are all we have right now to be here. Let's welcome the super doggies back from their vacation. Yay! Yay! Stuffed animals. Stuffed animals. Stuffed animals. Stuffed animals are the best thing alive, other than babies and humans. And don't forget about animals. That's stuffed animals to you. Oh yeah. Stuffed animals are the best thing alive. Stuffed animals, they go to the speed of light. What? We don't run the speed of light. Oh, right. We are stuffed animals. Do 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 do. I know this song has been long, and this video has been longer, but we're just gonna end with the credits. Mikey, Sonic, Little Willie, Donnie, Raph, Fuzzy Doggy, Shadow, Leo, Tidy, Stitch, and Sully, and especially Skeeter, Bungie, and Fluffy Jr. Na 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 na. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you on the next stuffed animal video. I just don't want to end this. It's so fun. I know, but we have to end it now. If not, our viewers will get mad because it's too long. So we're at the end? I guess so. Well, it was fun. We'll continue tomorrow anyway. Yeah, that's even more fun. We can make videos every day. Okay, you know our viewers are hearing about this? Okay. So, say goodbye to everybody. Bye-bye. Bye. I'm gonna be sarcastic. Bye-bye to everybody. I didn't say bye-bye to everybody. I said say bye-bye to everybody. I said say bye-bye to everybody, but I said bye-bye to everybody. You're making it too long. See you later on the next stuffed animal video. Goodbye.